In this short 3-minute lesson, you will learn best practices in making an attractive offer for students. Start by getting in the mindset of your target audience, in this case, an 18 to 22-year-old college student, and think about what is likely to get their attention and what drives them towards a product or brand. Start with promoting your special offer where students spend most of their time, social media. The next generation of consumers is ultra tech savvy and totally plugged in, and more than 70% are following at least one brand on social media. Students are typically strapped for cash, so make your offer budget friendly. Get inspired by brands like Headspace, Spotify, and YouTube. Their student rates are significantly less expensive than their standard subscription rates. Brands like these have seen retention rates as high as 98% after students have graduated and start paying full price. Make your offer easy to redeem. If your checkout or discount redemption process is slow or clunky in any way, a student will likely abandon the purchase. Also, make sure your offer is easy to cancel. And if you're offering a subscription service, consider monthly versus yearly subscriptions. And since students are constantly using their phones, make sure that your special offer is easily redeemable on your mobile site. Building the deal into the checkout process is a good option. Additionally, make sure you are leveraging SMS messaging to encourage students to complete their verification process or complete their purchase after verification is done. SMS messaging lifts conversion rates up to 50%. Leverage reward programs to build loyalty. Students tend to be a loyal audience as long as their values align with the brands and the interactions are personal and interesting. And most importantly, when you are building out your offer, be creative and fun. This is a young, spirited generation that loves to feel engaged in a personal, authentic way. It will pay off to meet them on their level. Thanks for joining us. If you want to dive deeper into marketing to college students, here are a few resources you might find useful.